I asked AI to build me a habit tracker in Google Sheets. Here's what happened. But first, let me show you what I expected it to create. So here's the dashboard. We have overview summary at the top, performance charts in the middle, and the daily habit tracker right here. So in today's video, I'm putting Gemini AI to the test. So let's see if we can build this dashboard using just one prompt. I'm going to start by adding my prompt here. The goal is to create a clean, modern monthly habit tracker with all the essential features. Don't worry, I'll leave the prompt down in the description so you can just copy and use it. Now let's go ahead and submit this. So it looks like the AI can't fully do this with just one prompt. As you can see, it says, since I'm an AI, I can't directly click buttons in your browser to build the sheet for you. But here's the interesting part. It actually gives me a blueprint I can follow to build this in about 5 minutes. All right, it looks like I've got step-by-step instructions, so I'm going to follow them exactly and see what happens. Let's start with step 1. I'll open a new Google Sheet. In this step, we're setting up the layout. Based on the instructions, we'll use cells A5 to AH5 for the habit name, goal, current streak, and the days of the month. I'm going to insert more columns to the left until I have all 31 days set up. Let's resize these columns. Yeah, 20 feels a little small. I'm going to bump it up to 25.
Now let's move on to step 2, adding checkboxes and setting up conditional formatting.
I'm going to highlight cells D6 to AH13. Go to Insert, then select Checkbox. Next, head to the Format menu and click Conditional Formatting. Set the rule to Text is exactly, enter True, and leave the fill color as green. For the second rule, enter False, and set the fill color to light red. Just a quick reminder, I'm sticking exactly to the instructions the AI gave me. Actually, I'm going to switch the red to light gray. It just looks a lot cleaner. Now, let's move on to step 3. This part's super easy. Just copy and paste the formulas into the designated cells. Now I'm going to paste the first formula into cell AI6. Let's change this to a percentage. Now I'm going to paste the second formula here. So basically, this formula tells us how many days were selected and what percentage is completed. It looks like all the formulas are working. Now we just need to drag them down. Before moving on to the next step, I'm going to test all the checkboxes. And it looks like everything is working perfectly. Now, for step 4, we're going to build the dashboard. I will copy and paste the formulas into the cells exactly as instructed. First, let's freeze the top 4 rows. Now I'll add total progress in cell A1 and paste the formula right below in cell A2. So total progress is basically the average percentage of all completed habits. Next, I'll add the daily heat map formula in row 4 above the dates. This lets us quickly see which days were the most productive. Now, I'm going to apply conditional formatting using a color scale. You can keep the default colors or customize them, but I'll stick with the default as the instructions suggest. Now drag the formula across the row so it applies to all the days. Let's test it and see if everything works as expected. For the final step, I'll refine the dashboard to make it look cleaner and more polished. Let's change the font to Roboto. Now go to View and turn off the grid lines. Now make the dates in row 5 bold and center align them. All right, let's highlight the habit names and the percentage columns. Go to Insert, then choose Chart. Select the bar chart option. And that's everything Gemini gave us. As you can see, it's pretty simple, not exactly the modern dashboard we were hoping for. But to be fair, it does work. It's clean, functional, and we can definitely level it up with a bit more design. If you want me to turn this into a premium-looking template or build other productivity sheets, drop a comment below and I might make it in the next video.